How to use a laptop for a beginner. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to use your laptop if you are a beginner. So if you have been using your laptop for the first time, or you just recently bought a laptop and just want to get things started, so you are in the right video. So first thing what you need to do is you need to find your purpose. What is the goal behind using the laptop? It might be related to your academic purpose. If it's related to your academic purpose, then you might want to find all of your Word, Microsoft account, or to create your Word or PowerPoint presentation or Microsoft Excel. So you can all get all of that in this using your Microsoft Store from over here and simply search in for Microsoft 365 or Word or differently, just like this. So if it's not for academic purpose, you can also browse it using your browser just like this and searching for games or Photoshop tools like this in the Adobe official website, and do a lot of graphic design stuff and something like that. You can also watch anime or run your YouTube from over here or social media accounts using your browser. So if you are completely new to your laptop user general setting, what you can do is simply search in for settings from this search menu, and you can learn more about your system like this using your display option, or you can also change your sound settings, notifications, or you can also select your power sleep option like regarding your battery option, and you can learn more about storage option on your devices and your battery power and everything else. So you can also learn about your Bluetooth and printers or mouses, or you can link your mobile device. You can learn to control your game mode on your laptop or PC, and you can learn about your privacy section and list your applications inside your laptop. You can also find network and internet settings where you'll know how to connect your Wi-Fi or internet connection or VPN as well. You can also personalize your desktop from these settings over here, and you can do a lot more like Windows updating, time and settings, language selection, and everything else. So just like I said at the beginning, you need to be sure what's the purpose or goal of you using your laptop. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.